On behalf of our commanding officer, Lieutenant Colonel Damon Winthrop, and all members of 431 Air Demonstration Squadron, we would like to welcome you to the Snowbirds 2015 Air Demonstration. All Snowbirds team personnel are serving members of the Canadian Armed Forces. The show team is comprised of 11 pilots, 12 aircraft technicians, and our public affairs officer, Lieutenant Patricia Brunel from Ottawa, Ontario. My name is Captain Regan Wickett, Snowbird 11 from Saskatoon, Saskatchewan. I'm a military flying instructor on the Harvard II and Hawk with over 2,500 flying hours. Today's safety pilot is Captain Greg Mendez, Snowbird 10 from Calgary, Alberta. Captain Mendez has previously flown the Hercules as a tactical and air-to-air refueling pilot with over 3,300 flying hours.
Yes. Вежба и там, rekao sam ti imaju probu.
Ja mislim da dolazi.
It's a nice song.
Now, look to center stage for those iconic 9 twinkling lights, and listen in as our team lead, Major Gobet, calls ready for the team's check-in.
Sad počinje. Now it's beginning.
Running in for high show. Snowbirds checking. Number 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Have a great show, guys. Clock now.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, your 2015 Canadian Forces Snowbirds!
Woohoo! Wow. Slikaj, Kati. Možeš. Slikaj. A opet možeš slikat. Probaj. Wow.
Very smooth and accurate flying is essential for our 2 inner pilots. Flying in the inner right wing position is Snowbird 2, Captain Ave Pine from Victoria, BC. Captain Pine has over 3,000 flight hours as a Sea King pilot and senior instructor on the Harvard II. Flying in the inner left wing position is Snowbird 3, Captain Bart Postma from Clinton, Ontario. He too is an experienced Sea King pilot and senior instructor on the Harvard II, accumulating over 4,200 flying hours.
Well, let me tell you something, all that glitters ain't gold. It's been a long old troublesome road.
Look left as the team returns for the Vulcan bottom side pass and continues right, setting up for the change to Big Arrow.
You're a sky full of stars. I'm gonna give you my heart. 'Cause you're a sky full of stars. 'Cause you light up the path. I don't care, go on, tear me apart. I don't care if you do. 'Cause in the sky full of stars, I think I saw you.
The stability of the entire formation depends largely on our 2 line of stern pilots. In the first line of stern position is Snowbird 4, Captain Phil Waugh from Gatineau, Quebec. Captain Waugh is both a Hercules, search and rescue pilot, and senior instructor on the Harvard II with over 3,000 hours of flight experience. In second line astern is Snowbird 5, Captain Matthew Hart from Parksville, British Columbia. Captain Hart is a senior instructor on the Hawk, accumulating over 1,500 hours of jet time.
Oh, die in your arms. Secret light of the moon.
Look to your right as the team returns for the Big Diamond Roll and Loop. A beautiful yet challenging maneuver. It is renowned for its precision. Watch now as the team returns to center stage. And listen in as they run in for the dazzling Maple Split.
Maple.
Now.
Wow.
Look, right and left as the solos converge for the level roll, followed by the Cuban reversal.
Contact.
Što se uzima? Što se uzima? Mašinu si ga skuplje koristi. Wow, dvojice! Wow! We are missing! Nismo ovu dvojicu ni vidjeli.
Watch left and right as the solos perform opposing 540-degree rolls to cross inverted and then complete the Cobra exit.
Oh.
Solos running in the 1.5 meters.